Crash Course, Argentina, Sports. Welcome to the exhilarating world of Argentine sports, where passion, skill, and competitive spirit collide. Argentina is known for its rich sporting culture, producing world-class athletes and captivating fans with thrilling performances. In this crash course, we will explore the diverse sports landscape of Argentina, from the beloved national pastime of soccer to the adrenaline-fueled polo matches and beyond. Get ready to dive into the fascinating realm of Argentine sports and discover the heartbeat of athletic excellence. Story 1. Maradona and the Hand of God. No conversation about Argentine sports is complete without mentioning Diego Maradona, one of the greatest soccer players in history. In the 1986 FIFA World Cup quarterfinals, Maradona scored a controversial goal against England, known as the Hand of God. This infamous moment showcased Maradona's creativity and cunning, and it remains etched in sporting lore as a testament to his brilliance. Story 2. The Pampas and Polo. Argentina's vast plains, known as the Pampas, have provided the perfect setting for the development of polo, a sport synonymous with elegance and prestige. The Argentine Polo Open Championship, held in Buenos Aires, is one of the most prestigious polo tournaments in the world. Argentine polo players, such as Adolfo Cambiaso, have achieved legendary status, captivating audiences with their mastery of horsemanship and polo skills. Top 12 sports in Argentina. 1. Soccer. Football. The national obsession, soccer reigns supreme in Argentina. Experience the electric atmosphere of a Boca Juniors versus River Plate match or witness the talent of Lionel Messi, Argentina's most beloved soccer icon. 2. Polo. Delve into the world of polo, an elegant sport deeply rooted in Argentine culture. Attend a polo match, marvel at the horsemanship, and witness the skillful players galloping across the field. 3. Tennis. Argentina has produced numerous world-class tennis players, including Guillermo Vilas, Gabriela Sabatini, and Juan Martín del Potro. Catch a thrilling match during the ATP Buenos Aires tournament or explore the vibrant tennis scene in Buenos Aires. 4. Basketball. Argentine basketball has reached great heights, with the national team winning multiple medals in international competitions. Watch a game of the Liga Nacional de Basket, Argentina's top professional basketball league. 5. Field hockey. Hockey sobre césped. Argentina's women's field hockey team is one of the best in the world, winning multiple Olympic medals and World Cups. Experience the fast-paced action of field hockey in Argentina. 6. Rugby. Known for its physicality and sportsmanship, rugby has a dedicated following in Argentina. The national team, Los Pumas, has made its mark on the international stage, including reaching the Rugby World Cup semifinals. 7. Motorsports. Feel the adrenaline rush of motorsports in Argentina. From Formula One driver Juan Manuel Fangio to the famous Dakar Rally, Argentina has a strong motorsports heritage. 8. Boxing. Argentina has produced legendary boxers, including Carlos Monzon and Sergio Martinez. Catch a live boxing match and witness the intense drama and skill of the sport. 9. Golf. Argentina boasts stunning golf courses and has produced world-class golfers like Roberto De Vicenzo and Angel Cabrera. Tee off on lush fairways and experience Argentina's golfing paradise. 10. Sailing. With its expansive coastline and vibrant sailing community, Argentina offers excellent opportunities for sailing enthusiasts. Discover the thrill of sailing in beautiful destinations such as Mar del Plata and Buenos Aires. 11. Volleyball. Argentina has a strong volleyball tradition, with both the men's and women's national teams achieving notable success. In international competitions, enjoy the high-flying action and passionate atmosphere of a volleyball match. 12. Equestrian sports. Embrace Argentina's equestrian heritage through events such as horse racing and rodeos. Attend the prestigious Gran Premio Nacional or witness the exhilarating gaucho skills at the Fiesta Nacional de la Tradición. In summary, Argentina's sports scene is a vibrant tapestry of passion, talent, and fierce competition. From the soccer stadiums that roar with the chants of devoted fans to the polo fields where elegance meets athleticism, Argentina offers a diverse range of sports that captivate audiences around the world. Embrace the thrill of the game, witness extraordinary performances, and immerse yourself in the sporting fervor that defines this captivating nation. Poem. In Argentina's realm of sport, where legends come to be, passion and skill converge in moments of victory. From the hallowed soccer fields to the polo's graceful stride, a nation's heart beats strong, where athletic dreams reside. Maradona's hand of God, a touch forever etched in the annals of soccer, where genius is fetched. On the pampas open plains, polo's elegance unfolds. The thunder of hooves, tales of triumph yet untold. Tennis courts and basketball courts, alive with vibrant hues. Argentina's finest athletes, competing and enthuse. Field hockey's fierce battles, on turf of emerald green. Women's prowess shining, in victories yet unseen. Rugby's noble warriors, united in their quest to conquer on the field, with strength and noble zest. Motorsport's roaring engines, the thrill of speed and might. Argentina's champions, igniting the racing light. In the boxing ring's embrace, power and skill entwined. Argentina's pugilists, their glory we shall find. Golf courses' rolling fairways, a golfer's paradise. Argentina's swinging clubs, where excellence will rise. Sailing on the open seas, winds guiding their way. Argentina's intrepid sailors, seeking horizons gray. Volleyball's soaring spikes, a game of skill and might. Argentina's players shining, in the arena's light. Equestrian events unfold, a tale of grace and might. Horse racing's thunderous gallop, a spectacle of delight. Argentina's sporting prowess, a nation's vibrant pride. Where legends leave their mark, in each game magnified. Song. Verse 1. In Argentina's realm of sport, where dreams come alive, a nation's passion ignites, in moments we strive. From the soccer stadiums, where legends are born, to the polo fields, where elegance adorns. Chorus. Argentina, land of sports, where hearts beat true. From Messi's magic to the polo's graceful debut. Tennis, basketball, a nation's athletic creed. In Argentina's realm of sport, greatness takes the lead. Verse 2. On the rugby fields, courage knows no bounds. Motorsport's thunderous roar, where victory resounds. Boxing's noble ring, where champions are crowned. Golf courses' green fairways, where talent is renowned. Chorus. Argentina, land of sports, where hearts beat true. From Messi's magic to the polo's graceful debut. Tennis, basketball, a nation's athletic creed. In Argentina's realm of sport, greatness takes the lead. Bridge. From field hockey's battle to volleyball's flight. Sailing the open seas, a thrill of pure delight. Equestrian events, where riders find their stride. Argentina's sporting legacy, forever amplified. Chorus. Argentina, land of sports, where hearts beat true. From Messi's magic to the polo's graceful debut. Tennis, basketball, a nation's athletic creed. In Argentina's realm of sport, greatness takes the lead. Outro. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.